Hi, Becky. Hope you're having a good night or evening or morning, whenever you're watching this. I wanted to take just a second and create a little video for you. At some point, I know we wanted to, and we still want to do like a training session, but between now and then, I want to kind of show you how to go into the website and to make edits. And feel free to watch this as much as you like, but you can also reach out and we can do some one-on-one training. You should have got an email, and it's going to look similar to this. It'll say, Jade Fulford wants you to help manage Jeff Lane. This is for the website. So all you have to do is click this Join Now button. It should launch the website, and something along the bottom of the screen should pop up. If this is your first time setting up, accepting an invitation, your first name you want to enter. I'm going to enter mine. Your last name. Okay. And your email address is auto-filled because it was sent to you. And then set a password that you can remember. Okay. And don't worry if you forget it. We can always reset it. And you'll choose Join Now. Now, once you've joined, I'm going to choose not to save this here. Now, once you've joined, you know you're in the editor by looking here at the bottom of the screen. So we're talking specifically right now about editing blog posts and adding blogs, and we're going to go through that right now. All of your blogs are going into something called a collection. Once you click on collections, you'll see blog posts right here. Now click on blog posts, and you can see all of the ones that have been created so far. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here and we're going to create a new post right over here. Okay. When you do that, all you have to do is fill out the items that you see here. So I'm going to hop into the email here and I'm going to open Be Fruitful Part 4. Now I use a Mac, so I'm going to open it with Pages, but you would open it with Word. All right, and now it's simply copy and paste. All right, so I know the title, so I'm not going to copy that. But right here, I'm going to copy the body of this devotional. Okay. I'm going to copy this. The title of the devotional was Be Fruitful, Part 4. All right, now we have a few elements to look at. Name, which is the name of the devotional or the topic. Slug, you can disregard. That's for the website's direction purposes. And here, post body, that is the post or the main part of your devotional. So I'm going to paste what I copied earlier, and now we have it right here. So we can make changes to this. We can put things in bold. We can do whatever we want. It's a smart text editor is what it is. So I'm going to put that down there. And if you wanted to bold something or change something's size, all you have to do is highlight it, and then this menu will come up. There's your bold, there's your italics. You can turn something into a link. You can even click an empty space. Let's say here, and there's a plus sign. And with the plus sign, you can add pictures, you can add a link, or even custom code. So again, we have the name, we have the slug that's automatically created, and then we have your body. So from there, we're going to hit create. And notice right here, it says staged for publish, which means it's been created and it's waiting for you to tell it to go live on the internet. So I'm going to go over here to publish in the upper right hand corner. And remember, every time we make an edit or every time we make a blog post, we're going to click publish, and that's what's going to save it out to the website. And now it's live. So if we were to go to Pastor Jeff Lane and we were to click on devotionals, we can see that Be Fruitful Part 4 has been created and it's ready to go. One added thing I want to show you that's going to help you in scheduling out these posts moving forward. So you can kind of do them all in 1 week and they'll auto publish. So let's hop in real quick. We're going to go back to the email and we're going to go ahead and we just did 4. So let's go ahead and do 5. All right. So I'm going to open this, open that with Pages, which I think I already have it somewhere. There it is. And I'm going to go ahead and copy the body here. and copy. So let's go into collections and blog posts and create new. All right, so I remember that this is Be Fruitful Part 5, and I'm going to paste the body here. In this instance, because the first thing is scripture, I just like to kind of bold that, but it's whatever you want to do. Okay, we're going to fix the bottom down here, like so. And now we are ready to save it, except we're going to do something a little different because this would come out the next day or the next day or the next day. So once this is typed out and ready, instead of clicking on the big green button here, create, you're going to hit the drop down arrow and you're going to choose schedule. And you can choose what day you want this to come out and then what hour, 10:30 a.m. and then schedule. Now, what you've done was you've scheduled for the next blog post to be the next day. With that done, you will not have to hit publish because the site knows to automatically publish this that you've already scheduled. So one more quick tip. Now, you saw the invitation to edit the website, and you can edit the site by going to the email each time, but you can enter a website directly to go to the editor without having to check your email and click any links. After you've accepted the invite for the first time, you can go back to edit the site by going to www.pastorjefflane.com/?edit. So it's /?edit. Once you do that, it'll bring you to the site, and after a moment, your editor options across the bottom will come up. Just remember, anytime you make a change, you want to publish those changes.